Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to upload files in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the Classic experience. So let's proceed and firstly try to understand what does we mean by upload files in Salesforce. So we have an object named file in Salesforce where we upload files such as images, document, videos, GIFs, music, etc. In simple word, file upload is a process of uploading, storing and managing of a file. And to upload these files, we can select them from our computer and also integrate from the other applications such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. If you want to get more detail on uploading of a file, you can get a link of a article on the description box. You can go to our article and read the complete detail about what does we mean by uploading of a file in Salesforce. So now let's proceed and move to our main topic and learn to upload a files in Salesforce Lightning first. So here I open up my Salesforce account and by default I land on my home page. So now I want to redirect to the main setup. So I click on the gear icon and click on the setup from the apps. Now after that you have to click on the app launcher, or you can say a 9-dot grid, and here you have to search up for the files tab. So the app launcher is located on the left side. Here we have a search bar and here you can simply type for the files and it will gives you the files in under the item. Now select it. After selecting it, it redirects you to the page to the file uploading, and here you can click on the upload files option that is located on the top side, right one, and here I click on it. It open up my PC and here I choose up a randomly picture to show you how to upload a file in Salesforce Lightning. I choose up and click on the open button, and after that it makes the uploading process start. Now you have to click on the done button successfully. Once the file is successfully uploaded, click on the drop down arrow next to it at the end. Now, to enter the additional information related to it, you can click on the edit file details option given on the second last point, and it will open up the pop-up. And here you can add up the detail or a description about this image if you want to add, and click on the save button successfully. If you want to download it, you can also download by clicking on the drop down button. We have a download option, you can download. Even you can share a public link and share with people and view the file details and upload the new version of the file if you want by clicking on these things. Let's see each of them one by one. So here if I click on the share one, it shows me like that to choose up the people to whom you want to share and what thing you want to grant, what access you want to grant, like a viewer or a collaborator who can access them. And after setting it, you can click on done. Even you can get a public link from it by clicking on, you can set up the public link by click on this create link. Next, you can also do it with the view file details, and it shows up you all the file details related to this one, and it opens in this file in a preview mode. And here we have a details section that shows the description and the name of the file. And it doesn't have some of this feature only, it also have a feature of upload new version. If I click on that, it moves to the my window again and asks me to choose the updated version. So it replaces my old file with the new updated version. Even I can edit the file detail that I show you firstly, and if you want to delete it when you no longer need this file, you can click on this delete button and delete it successfully. So with this you have learned how to upload a file in Salesforce Lightning, and now we will proceed and learn the concept for the Salesforce Classic. So firstly you have to move to the Classic one. I click on my profile and here I get up the option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. So when I click on it, it redirect to the new page, or you can say that the Classic experience setup. Now you have to click on the plus icon that is given on the navigation bar, or where all the tabs are located. After that you will get the all the tabs, and here you have to search for the files that is located under the F category. So here I move to the F category, here I get the files option. I click on that. Now it has a option of a click upload file button, and this is located on the top of the screen, and or by you can dragging and dropping the files directly you can upload it. If you click on the upload file button, it asks you to select the file from your Windows or this PC. So this time I select this one and click on the open button, and after that it start the uploading process and upload it. Once you finally upload it, it automatically shows you the screen which have a option of a share setting. If you want to set it, you can click on this share setting option and set it, like to whom you want to share it. If you not, click on the close button and move it. Now you can see that on the left side you have option of a download. You can download this image as a jpg if you want. And this file sharing I told you previously. And next it has a upload a new version option also. You can also update it the new file. Even you want to edit the details, you can edit the name and the description of the file. And if you no longer need this file, you can simply delete it by clicking on the delete button. So with this we have successfully learned how to uh, upload a file in Salesforce Lighting as well as a classic experience. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.